Hello, and welcome to the Innovation Foundation Grants Information Session. Part of the college's effort to foster new ideas, MC Innovation Works offers a grant each year to fund innovative strategies. The grant dollar amount and theme change each year, but the criteria generally remain the same. Since its inception, we have sought out your best thinking and innovative strategies that will impact a broad range of students. In order to stay on target, project ideas should link to the theme designated for the upcoming grant cycle, as well as ongoing college initiatives and priorities. The ongoing themes include student success, student graduation completion and retention goals, student transfer goals, equity and inclusion, part-time students, support for newly enrolled or first-time students, building a culture of evidence, and social justice. As you begin to formulate your project ideas, keep in mind that the most successful grant applications will connect to the grant theme, be collaborative, use cross-functional teams, be innovative, include data and measurable outcomes, and show big, no, bigger thinking. With this list in mind, let's take a closer look at what is considered appropriate and inappropriate use of the grant funds. Grants are to be used for innovative or out-of-the-box thinking, creation of a new program, revision, addition, or scaling of existing programs or processes, projects related to student affairs and/or academic affairs, classes or courses that go beyond the typical classroom experience and affect multiple courses and/or sections, and projects that create opportunities for and support student success on the academic, student support, or operational side of the institution. Grants are not to be used for day-to-day operation funds or programs, expansion of existing programs unless it is an innovative addition, conferences, professional development, or classroom speakers, supplies, or other instructional support except as necessary for the innovation. At this point, you may be thinking, I have an innovative idea, and I believe it meets all the criteria for a successful grant, but now what? Well, then it's time to get started on your project proposal. Let's begin with a list of required elements. Remember, each element will be described in detail on the grant application. Number 1, the abstract, about 100 words. 2, a statement about the relevant themes the project addresses. 3, a description of the proposed project. 4, an explanation of how the project connects to the grant themes. 5, an emphasis on the collaborative and innovative elements. 6, measurable outcomes. 7, an estimation of the number of students who will either be directly or indirectly affected by the proposed project. 8, a timeline for implementation. 9, research and/or data to demonstrate a need for the proposed project. And lastly, number 10, a detailed budget, explanation, and justification, usually in less than 2 pages. The college has seen some amazing work produced by past Innovation Grant winners. The next few screens will give you an idea of some of the projects that have been supported by Innovation Foundation grants in recent years. And finally, the most recent grants awardees. Even with a clear understanding of the grant criteria and proposal requirements, you may find yourself in need of additional resources to support the grant writing process. Here are a few places to get started. If you find yourself in need of additional support or just have a few quick questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us by email at innovationworks@montgomerycollege.edu. We wish you the best of luck and appreciate you taking the time to learn more about the Innovation Foundation grant process. We also look forward to seeing how you'll connect your innovative idea to the college's key initiatives.